This is the ToughBuilt Large Massive Mouth Bag. Its body measures 16 inches wide, 14 inches tall, and 10 inches in depth. Its patented massive mouth opens 15 inches, wider than any other bag in the market, allowing maximum visibility and access. This ultimate tool bag combines innovative features, superior performance, and unmatched craftsmanship. It unites the best of an impact-tested, waterproof hardbody with the versatility of fabric tool pockets. It includes a ClipTech Hub that attaches to the ClipTech bar, making it compatible with ToughBuilt's line of patented clip-on pouches for the ultimate tool organization. The main compartment is perfect for power tools, hand tools, and accessories. Store and organize tools and supplies using the 21 meticulously designed pockets, loops, and clips. They feature plastic-lined, structured pockets that flex to keep tools in place, an electrical tape strap, tape measure clip, and a steel retention hook. This bag includes shoulder strap hooks for easy carry. It's constructed with high-quality 1680 denier fabric and heavy-duty rivet reinforcement for unrivaled durability. This durable bag is built to withstand the harshest working environments. This is the ToughBuilt Large Massive Mouth Bag. It's not just a bag, it's ToughBuilt.